here we have a complete Dino floor pan. So Fiat Dino Spider. This is for a 2 litre, but there's not that much difference in it with the 2.4. So that's a breakthrough, isn't it? A complete floor, because they're always rusty. You never run out of work for working on Fiats, will you? So it's got all the pressings in it, and it's exactly as factory. So you can see we got the longitudinal pressing there. We've got our little drain holes. You know, we've seen that, haven't we? The thing I do for that. We've got a little corner pieces. Now they need quite a bit of work when you actually fit them in the car. They need a bit of tweaking, but that'll work out. And then this is the under seat bit, the under seat pan, and then we dovetail straight into our rear floor pan. So that's the lot. So that, you know, that's going to save these Fiats, isn't it? And if you value your car, that's what you're going to want, isn't it? Complete floors. But anyway, that's for the future. But would you like to see how we made them? Well, let's go and have a look. Cursed forever. Well, I'm not going to give away all my secrets, am I?